0, 1.
Let's get started.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today that we're in the garage, we're going to show you how to refill the stringer on a new Stihl FSA57 electric weed whacker. So the trick to the whole auto cut 3.2, you can actually buy the cartridges or you can refill it on your own. I actually went out and bought some 095 bulk, as you can see here. I think I paid 12 bucks, $10.99. One of these cartridges is 9 bucks alone. So I'm gonna refill my own. So what you need to do is you need to identify, there's 2 arrows on each side of the stringer head. What you need to do is turn this knob so it lines up directly with that, as you can see there, parallel across. Then what you do is, I pulled off probably 12 feet of string, and then you just run it in this hole here on the side and just push it all the way through till it's comes through the other side. And then what we'll do is we'll pull it even. So I'm gonna have about 6 feet on each side. So I have roughly maybe 6 feet. Let's pull this a little tighter. Then all you need to do is turn the head. You can see the arrow of direction you need to do to fill it. So we'll just start spinning it. As you can see, it's taking up the string. And you just go through until all your string is inside the spool head. Works actually pretty great. Takes me maybe 5 minutes maybe to fill this entire spool. Okay, so here's about as long as I want to be. Then I'll just cut these off. Maybe wasting a little here, but here's what it is. There you go. So that's how you fill the auto cut instead of buying the cartridges and wasting your money. So now that we got the entire spool refilled, we're ready to go. Just readjust this, and there you go. Weed whacker is ready to start trimming. Here's a look at the finished project for the day. Roughly maybe 5 inches on there, on each side. Just realign your little knob here so it's not on the fill. And we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.